Presentii. Measure audience interest as you present.
Let's take a look at how Presentii works from your audience's point of view. When attendees log in using your event key, they will see your custom event screen with custom title, image and description. They will then proceed to the Presentii meter, and as you present, they can slide the meter side to side to register their positive or negative level of interest throughout your presentation. They may also choose to enter comments that will provide you with additional insight into how they are reacting. Presentii is intuitive. If attendees don't participate for 2 minutes, Presentii will give them a gentle nudge to help get them re-engaged. Once you've completed your presentation, attendees will be automatically prompted to complete the survey questions if you've taken advantage of this feature. Otherwise, Presentii will end the session, provide an opportunity for any last comments, and thank them for their participation.
Presentii. Measure audience interest as you present.